Hello everyone and welcome to Science Olympiad Club's presentation. We're so excited to be having you join our club this year, and we hope that you'll get a lot of useful information about what Science Olympiad Club does. So first of all, I'm the president for this year, Michael Zhao.
I'm the vice president of Build Events, Kalia.
Hi, I'm the vice president of study events, I'm Sohan.
I'm the secretary, Angela.
I'm the outreach intern, Raymond.
I'm one of the logistic interns, Arushi.
I'm the other logistics intern, Tiffany.
And in the bottom left to right, we have our wonderful advisors, Miss Liu and Mr. Nguyen.
Science Olympiad is a national program, which means we have 15 members in every competing Science Olympiad team and 23 events that they compete in. The team score is an aggregate of each individual performance score, and the top 4 teams in regionals advance to states, and the top team in states advances to the national competition.
So because there are 23 different events, the scope of Science Olympiad is very broad, ranging from life science all the way to build and engineering. So there is probably something for every one of you.
And you have 23 individual medal opportunities and 1 team medal opportunity for each tournament we go to. So it's a perfect competition if you want to be recognized for your skills and awards at competitions.
So what are these 23 events? These next few slides will discuss the event list from last year, which we'll be repeating this year. So on this slide, you can see the life science and earth science events.
On the left, we have our physics and chemistry events, and on the right, we have our build events. So build events are where you build the device prior to the competition, and then at the competition, you compete with teams from different schools and test your device to see which one is the best.
Here we have our inquiry and nature of science events. And if you want more information about any of these events, look to the National Science Olympiad website.
So let's look at some of our past results. So in our first year, which was 2 years ago, we swept the Tracy Invitational, getting both first and second place overall, as well as 15 individual medals. And at the regionals, we got 5th place, barely missing out on states. And we also medaled in about half the events. However, we really improved this going on to the following year.
Last year, as our second year as a team, we attended the Mira Loma Invitational in January, where our Team A got 3rd place with a total of 7 medals. And then in February, we attended the Golden Gate Invitational, and we got 4th place for our Team A, which is pretty significant because the Golden Gate Invitational is one of the most prestigious on the West Coast. And as a total, we got 14 medals at that invitational. Although we did really well in our invitationals, our regional last year unfortunately did get canceled because of COVID-19.
This year, instead, we're going to have either a satellite Science Olympiad or a mini Science Olympiad, one of which is virtual and the other one is socially distanced. We're planning on going to 4 different tournaments.
So Science Olympiad Club alumni excel both in school and beyond school. So of our 1 out of 1 alumni, 100% have gone to Stanford. And you can extrapolate that statistic however you wish.
So now you might be wondering, well, how do I join Science Olympiad Club? So we use a holistic review process to determine our team members, and one aspect of that review is the tryout test. So everyone is welcome to try out regardless of prior Science Olympiad experience. There'll be about 50 questions on the tryout test, and it'll be about an hour long. So if you're interested in being a competing team member, remember to try out.
So whether or not you would make it onto a competing member, you can still come to our club meetings, and these are at Monday lunches at 11:35 to 12:15. And during these meetings, we'll have event presentations and team collaboration and logistics. Our first meeting is on September 14th, so make sure you're there.
So here are just some links. Be sure to visit our website and our Instagram page for regular updates on competition results. And please also join our mailing list to receive email notifications. And we would like you to sign up again, even if you did last year.
Thank you for listening to our Science Olympiad Club presentation. We hope to see you at our first meeting on September 14th and at our tryout test soon. See you then.